Pratap Reddy, founder of Apollo Hospitals, is also with us. Mr. Reddy, thank you so much for being a part of this broadcast. We've spoken on a number of occasions. We have spoken to a number of doctors. They have been talking about responsibility. I want to know from you, does India or will India post this 21-day lockdown, or say for instance post this COVID nightmare, be able to respect its doctors or take healthcare as a challenge very, very seriously, which it hasn't done all this while?
I think what we are facing is something we have never expected or never anticipated. It's a major, major hurdle in the health for the world. It's a big challenge, and I think our government, the Prime Minister and the Chief Ministers have all done several steps to prepare the country to face this huge crisis. The most important thing is making people aware. This is where I compliment the media, NDTV, Pranay I saw, bringing them to say these are not the time for you to panic, but to be precautious. And those precautions have made a very big impact in the last week or 10 days. And following the lockdown, now we are seeing, when the testing is going on, we are seeing the curve going up. What we are all looking for is the great efforts of the various governmental efforts and the healthcare, private and the public healthcare together. I know the governmental healthcare has done enormously in each and every state. We have followed what they have done, and we know what our responsibilities are to take this up. Most importantly, the governments have set up over 30,000 beds and nearly 5,000 beds with intensive care facilities. That I think this is where the private healthcare will join their efforts, because there is nothing like private or public in this instance, because there is a huge responsibility that rests on every Indian. As doctors and as healthcare players, I think we have, must say, I'm very, very pleased with the response that we have from the entire healthcare community, be it a doctor, a nurse, or the ward boys. Every one of them are saying, we are here to take this challenge. We'll make a difference in fighting this and making our country healthy and happy. Stop this, win over this COVID-19.
Thank you.
It's a big challenge I think we need to do, and using all our efforts. Yes, the knowledge that we have, the doctors, the technology that we have, but more importantly, I think technology is also playing a very significant role in bringing this information. The government has put up 24/7. We also got 24/7 and the risk score. Several millions of people are calling and finding out. And this is the advice that we give them.
Absolutely.
Saying what to do when.
Yes, Dr. Reddy, we do hope the medical community continues to cooperate like this and contribute like this, and we hope that the government
not panic, as he's saying.
Yes, absolutely.
And the private sector should step forward also now.
Absolutely. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much.